हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. देखिए राइट, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, दो डिफरेंट कॉइल है, सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस दिया है. करंट इन द कॉइल 1 is increased at a constant rate and the current in the second coil is also increased at the same constant rate. So and right, same constant at certain instant of time the power given to the coils is also same, power भी same है. At that time the current of the induced voltage and the energy in the first coil I1, right, जो first coil का current ये है, voltage ये है, power ये दिया गया है, sorry, the energy stored ये है, and second का ये दिया है, right. So I can say from here in the first part it is saying the current in the one coil is increased at constant rate. So first coil का current क्या है, देखिए I1 है, so I can say like dI1 upon dt, let us call this is M. And you can see the second coil is also in, right, the current in the second coil is also increased at the same constant rate. So this is also equal to dI2 upon I2. Now right, let us see what will the voltage, or you can say like EMF, how much. See, V1 will be minus L1 dI1 upon dt, and similarly V2 will be minus L2 dI2 upon dt, right. So let us see option D, V1 upon dt. Let us see option D is correct or not here. So V1 upon V2. So V1 upon V2 if I do, see right, so this will become minus L1, right, dI1 upon dt, and this becomes minus L2 dI2 upon dt. See right, from here if I call this equation 1 and this I call equation 2, so both d, right, from the equation 1 I can say dI1 upon d2 and dI2 upon d2 are same, that is equal to M. So this will get cancel out here, so you will get a minus minus will also get cancel out. So V1 upon V2 is nothing but L1 upon L2, and the value of L1 is given in the question C, 8 mH, and L2 is given 2 mH. So from here you will get the value is coming 4. So V1 upon V2 is coming 4, so that is correct. Okay, let us see, three more options are there, I1 and I2 and W1 upon W2, right. See, so let us, right, so let us proceed to the next part. It is saying at certain instant of time the power given to both the coil is also same. So let us equate the power here. So power will be how much, E into I. So I can say like V1 into I1, right, this is the power of the first coil, and the power of second coil will be V2 into I2. So V1 is how much, see, minus L di by dt, so minus L1 di by dt is not, di1 upon dt is nothing but M, so this becomes, right, M, and I1 is how much, I1 is I1 only, okay, this is V2 is how much, see, V2 is minus L d2 I by dt, so this becomes minus L2, and dI2 upon dt is nothing but M, so I can put here M, and this becomes, and I2 is also there. So from M will get cancel out, minus minus will get cancel out, and once again I can say I1 upon I2. So I1 upon I2 is nothing but L2 upon L1, and the value of L2 and L1 is given. See, L2 is how much given, 2 micro Henry, and L1 is this one. So from here I can say you will get 1 upon 4. So see which option is there, I1 upon I2 is 1 upon 4. So option A is also correct. Okay, now I need to go for option C. Okay, so let us go for option C now. See, right, it is saying W1, right, W1 is nothing but energy is stored. So W1 will be 1 by 2 L1 I1 square, okay, and W2 will be 1 by 2 L2 I2 square. So till now two options were correct, D and A. Okay, so I1 upon I2 from the previous slide I know, right, I1 upon I2 from the previous slide it is 1.4. This I know here because this will get utilized here. So let us check W upon W2. So W1 upon W2 is equal to 1 upon 2 L1 I1 square upon 1 upon 2 L2 I2 square. So this will get cancelled out. Okay, and L1 upon L2 into I1 upon I2 square. So see, L1 upon L2 is how much? See, L1 is 8. So 8 mH upon L2 is nothing but 2 m microhenry square into I1 upon I2 is C 1 upon 4 from the previous slide. So this becomes 1 upon 4 square. So right, so this will become 4 here into 1 upon 4 square. So we'll get 1 upon 4. So let us see which option is coming. W1 upon W2 is also 1 upon 4. So option C is also correct. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.